Hello guys. So we have to talk everything about my life and also my future presence and something else in my life, and you don't know who I am. Um I'm here to speaking my language, my my priority language, my pronunciations, just to know what I'm taking. And because you don't know, I am uh, I am originally from the Philippines, and in my life too, I was in I was in when I was in college degree, and my level, you know, that's very hard for me that I will graduated in high school since I was in college. Yes, so because I'm so happy while I looking you in here, you can see at my back, here's some in some in bananas, and this is the leaf in bananas. You don't know why I'm here, because I looking forward my my habit my habitat, also my life. Yeah, thank you all.